Ever opened your luggage on a ride and had to pull everything out just to find one thing? Packing is not just about what you carry, but how you carry it too. Here are a few tips to help pack your motorcycle luggage in an organized, efficient way. Main compartments can turn into black holes. So instead of throwing everything in, divide your gear into modules. Use small pouches, packing cubes, or compression sacks. If you can use pouches in different colors, that helps too. Ideally, when you open your luggage, you see clearly separated sections, not chaos. When segregating gear, think about usage rather than just category. If there are charges and clothes that you know you will use more often, pack them together so that you don't need to pull out 3 pouches to access your basics at the end of a ride day. Keep the clothes and gear that you will use less often separately so you only reach for it when you absolutely need it. Make sure you have a separate bag for dirty clothes that will accumulate during the ride too. Divide the area of your bag into layers. The bottom layer is best used for heavy gear and things you don't expect to use often. The mid layer is for end of ride day essentials, and top layer is for things that you might need to access during the ride, like rain jackets or gloves. This will help with luggage stability and accessibility. When you pack well, you have all that you need and more importantly, can find when you need it to. What are some packing rules that you follow when organizing gear into your motorcycle luggage? Drop a comment and share your systems with us. If you're looking for pouches and bags that can help with luggage organization, use the link in the description to explore our collection too. Thanks for watching.